Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected colleagues. Hope you all are fine and safe. As you can see, I have opened my university portal today, and we are well aware with it that this time, inshallah, we are going to share our midterm examination results through university portal. And this task will be done by the class teachers. It's very, very simple. You people have already worked in it. You have updated your results in the exam manager, and your result is ready with you. So how you can share with the parents? Let's see. You can see I have opened my university login over here. From my dashboard, you can see this is the option of exam manager. You have to click on it. Once you click it, go for the exam report card. Before you are generating the result of your class, please tally with your coordinators the updated fee defaulter list. Check with that one, and remember that you are not going to share the results of the fee defaulters. And for that, you have to discuss with your coordinators, and then you can work on it. Now the exam report card has been opened in front of me. I will select my class, which is assigned to me. My class is 3D. And then the section. To view the result card, I will go for all options. If you want to go for one by one, it's up to you, but better to select all the students. Once it is done, go for the exam type. From exam type, you have to go for midterm coursework 40. First select that one. Again, you need to select midterm assessment 60. Now the exam types are done. Now for the exam type label, scroll it down. From the drop down, you have to check for your midterm exam 2021. Now the term, this is the term midterm examination October 2021. Now the options are selected. You need to go for this purple button on your right hand side, generate report card. Once you click it, it will take few seconds because this is the database and it is collecting all the data. Wait for a while, let it generate all the report cards for you. Once it is done, you have to check the results of your students, that all the results which are marked, they are correct or not. So we have to wait for a while to process this one. Now you can see my class results have been generated. You have to, before sharing it with your parents, please check every of your result one time more. I know you have already checked with your parallel teachers, this is the ready one, but for the safe side, check every of the result one by one. Now you can see my student Abdul Hadi is over here. I will check all the marks and the remarks I have added. And once it is done, you have to go over here at the start of your card. There is an option of publish and send mail. You just have to click for the send mail option for the desired students, because if this student is not in the defaulter list, then you're going to send this mail. Click this button of send mail and your result will be sent automatically to the student parent ID. So this is the simple way, and one by one you have to carry out this process. Like all the students, you have to send their results one by one. I hope it is clear to you all. If still there is some confusion, we are here to guide you on. Thank you so much.